Hello guys, I'm Federico from Bitcoin Trading Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trade short on Bybit. And first things first, I'm going to explain you very quickly what shorting means, and then we're going to place a short position together on Bybit. And here we are guys on the 4 hours chart of Bitcoin, and as you can see here, this is a nice spot where to place a short position. And this is because we tested this resistance level multiple times without managing to break it, and every time we touched this level, then we went down to $26,700. And basically, this is what shorting means, that we are betting that the price is going down, and we borrow some Bitcoin from a broker, we sell them straight away, and then when the price of Bitcoin goes down, we buy Bitcoin with the money we made by selling straight away, and we buy more Bitcoin than before. So then we give back the Bitcoin that we borrowed and we keep the profit for ourselves. Let me explain you this concept with an easy example. Let's assume that the price of Bitcoin is right now $10,000, but we only have 0.1 BTC for trading. And we want to place a 1 BTC short position. So we need to borrow 0.9 BTC from a broker, so we can finally trade with 1 BTC. We believe that the price of Bitcoin is going down, so we sell this 1 BTC straight away, as soon as we receive the money from the broker. And this way, we make 10k USDT. Now, the price of Bitcoin goes down by 50%. And 1 Bitcoin is right now trading at $5,000. So we can buy 2 BTC with our $10,000 that we made by selling the 1 BTC. So in the end, when we close the trade, we have 2 BTC, but we need to give back to the broker 0.9 BTC. So in the end, we have 1.1 BTC. 1 BTC is our profit, and 0.1 is the amount of money that we put at the beginning. And guys, here we are using 10x leverage because we committed $1,000, but we are trading with $10,000, and in the end, even if the price went down by only 50%, we made 500% profit, which is $1,000, which we were using as margin, times 5, which is 5k USDT profit, or 1 BTC profit. So this is how we short, guys. And now let me show you how to do this on Bybit. Here we are on Bybit trading platform, and if we want to place our short position, then we need to select derivatives. Then we go down and select USDT perpetual, and then we click on BTC USDT. Once we get there, you can see that on the right side of the screen, you can select the amount of leverage, in this case 10x, like in our example. Then we can select the type of order, in this case a limit order, because we want to enter the trade once we get to a certain price level. While if we would enter a market price, instead we would enter the trade at the current market price. In this field instead, we enter the order price, which is of course the price at which we want to enter the trade. And if you are shorting, you want to enter a price that is higher than the current market price, because since you are shorting, the higher you place your trade, the more profit you're going to make once the price goes down. And in this case, we're right now trading at 28,420 US dollars. So we want to enter this trade, for example, at 28,450 US dollars. In this field instead, we can enter the order value. And let's say, for example, we want to enter a 10,000 US dollars short position. Remember that we are trading with 10x leverage, and this means that if we place a 10,000 US dollars short position, then this means that we are only using 1,000 US dollars, and we're going to borrow the other 9K from a broker. And at this point, we can select sell short with take profit and stop loss. And remember that it's very important to select a stop loss, because if we do not do that, in case the price starts moving in the opposite direction than what we are expecting, we may lose all of our 1,000 US dollars. If we instead place a stop loss, we're going to take a small loss, but we won't lose all of our money in this trade. So it's very important to do that. Risk management, guys, it's fundamental in trading. We can also select a take profit level if we want to take profit at a certain level. In this case, for example, guys, as you can see here, we are trading this range. So if we enter a short here, we would short till 26,700 US dollars approximately. And our stop loss, we would place it a bit above 29K, which is this huge resistance that we barely touched here once. So our stop loss is here, $29,170. Let's write it down. And our take profit, it's all the way down to 26,700 US dollars. Once we do that, we are ready to sell. So here we can read our order details. So you see the order price, which is the price at which we are entering the trade, the order cost, as we said, the 1,000 US dollars that we are using for this trade, the order value, which is our money plus the broker's money, the estimated liquidation price. So if the price goes there, we lose all of our 1,000 US dollars unless we place a stop loss, as we did. Then here you can read your take profit and your stop loss, the leverage that we are using, and guys, we are ready to confirm. At this point, we can see that our order is pending because we did not get filled, since the price of Bitcoin is right now 28,400 US dollars and our order price is instead $28,450. Once we get there, we're going to get filled and we're going to enter the trade, and our position is going to appear here under the positions section. And guys, that's all. This is how you trade short on Bybit. And if you want to learn more about these topics, then subscribe to the channel, like this video, guys, and see you in the next episode.